Yes, I do.
Miley! Her dad's a has-been. Triple H! He'll beat your face in. Yo, Gaga Gaga! Yo, Gaga Gaga! Yo, Gaga Gaga! Lady Gaga here. Ready for the best day ever? Let's see what our friends are up to. Good morning, everybody!
Good morning, Gaga!
Time to rise and shine and show the world your poker faces! And how do we start every day?
By drinking 8 raw eggs and doing 4,000 squat thrusts?
No, silly! We get dressed! But what do we wear? And don't say what I wore yesterday, because I don't do that. You can wear anything!
Anything?
A clock, a pillow, or a cat? You can wear it! A bottle, some feathers, and a map? Anything